In this video I will show current version of this PCB. So I ordered this PCBs and I got them like 1 week ago. I had a few mistakes on this PCB. Example, these holes for this connector was too small, so I couldn't solder these connectors properly there. But I will fix that in next version. Also, I forgot that I had to add here some holes where I could take all these balance leads from these batteries. And then I noticed this pad and this pad, they are a little bit off, but they are okay for now. You can see it from here that pad should be there, but it's a little bit more that way. So here is the test setup I mentioned. I'm using ESP32 to control this PCB, and I have connected this ground to this PCB battery minus, and then these UART cables are connected there. Then there was this few mistakes, so these holes were too small, so I had to connect this connector like that. And then I also forgot this resistor, so I had to add jump resistor there. Then I'm using some basic power supply to power up this PCB. Here is my current code to program this ESP32. So I have modified a little bit this example code from ESP. So I'm using this RTOS and ESP IDF framework. So from datasheet I found that this BMS chip have to be waked up with all these bits, but currently I'm not sure how I have to configure this. And here is some code. And then if I run this, so currently it's not working. I'm not sure if there is something wrong with hardware or I have to fix this code somehow. So here we can see all these transmitted bytes and then received, but currently they don't make sense, and I will try to fix this.